Are you a small YouTuber struggling to grow your channel? Do you spend a lot of time and energy making videos but don't see any organic growth and you don't know why? Hey, I'm here to help. My name is Nikita and I'm a full-time YouTuber. My Russian channel is called vidIQ, and since I started in 2014, I've gotten over 970,000 subscribers and more than 80 million views. I will make a deep review of your YouTube channel and give you a personalized action plan to improve it, which will lead to more organic views and subscribers. In the review, I will check out your videos and give you constructive criticism, give you tips on how you can make them better to increase your watch time and audience retention. I will evaluate your thumbnails and titles and tell you how to make them more irresistible to click. I will audit your YouTube SEO and tell you how you can leverage the YouTube search engine even better. I will answer all of the questions that you have about YouTube, so everything will be clear to you. In the end, based on the audit, you will get a personalized 5-steps action plan to improve your YouTube channel, which will lead to more organic views and subscribers. I will upload this video review to YouTube, make the video private just for you, and send you a link to it so you can watch my review whenever you have free time. Are you ready? Then please order a gig, and together we will take your channel to the next level.